It can't be stopped, and it won't be stopped because people want it. It's the democratization of finance. We've democratized everything else. We're going to democratize the financial system as well.
I delight in the fact that the bar has been raised significantly for all of us. We all have to really think about what it is we're trying to tackle. The folks who are still here are the ones that I think will be sincerely engineering this new economic paradigm.
We launched regulated ETFs in Brazil in November with a large bank partner, Itaú. We're working on a number of other partnerships in our asset management business, and we've never had more strategic clarity about what we want to do and what we think the end state for crypto and institutional crypto specifically looks like. On the tech side, all of the Galaxy folks on our podcasts and in our content are talking about the amazing upgrades that are coming from Ethereum. The merge obviously happened last year. We're only 440 days or so away from a Bitcoin halving, and we've got a lot of really interesting venture products that we've funded and been a part of. I think tokenization is going to be finally something that might be actionable at scale. Large asset managers are focused on that. And I think regulation's coming, which is ultimately a good thing as well. So when you put those things together as a foundation and you look 3 years forward, it's almost impossible to imagine that you're not going to have some degree of scale that comes from that soup. We're excited about that, and we're going to be a part of that.
The big topic for next year and beyond is really tokenization of real-world assets. And that's what I think gets people excited, particularly our institutional clients. We've seen some experiment with tokenizing their funds, and I think you're going to see a lot more in the future.
I mean, tokenization, I think, is a really exciting new field that I think is one of the important bridges that'll bring us, into this new paradigm where crypto technologies mingle with traditional functions and products in a way that isn't, as distant from what we're currently comfortable with in traditional finance, et cetera. This is really cool stuff, right? To the extent you can essentially enjoy all of the benefits of a distributed ledger, of a certifiable, immutable source of truth, and finding ways to obviate some of the inefficiencies in real-world assets, some of these markets that have been traditionally fractured and inaccessible, then you actually bring so many other people into the fold, and it's great. There's a little bit for everyone. Those who have been in this space for quite some time find ways to, garner access and support from those who traditionally weren't on board in crypto. Those who traditionally were, opposed to the idea of crypto are now, have their eyes open to all of the benefits that this could provide. And we at Galaxy really should be in the center of all of this, right? We were always and will continue to be the institutional bridge. I think us being the institutional bridge and also building this new economic paradigm, it all comes together quite neatly in tokenization.